Hello Canvas users, this is Marie Henderson. In this video we're going to look at importing the content from the shell where you've been working on your new template to the course that came in from PowerSchool that has your roster in it so that your course content and your students are linked up together. And so again, this course that I have open right now, this is where I have my copy of the template that I have been editing, and I'm going to import this content to the course that came in from PowerSchool. And so I'm going to click here on courses, and I can find the course that came in from PowerSchool because it starts with my last name, and I'm going to see that it is that course because it says 2020/2021 here as a subtitle, and you'll notice that none of my other courses say that. If you teach more than one class, you of course will have more than one of these here on your list. And so I'm going to click to open this course that came in from PowerSchool. Notice it's completely blank at the moment. And I'm going to scroll down here in the navigation to settings. And here at the right, I'm going to click to import course content. And I want to select copy a Canvas course from the drop-down menu. And then I can search for my other course by name here. And it was called Henderson 6th. And there it is, Henderson 6th grade math. And I know this is my new shell as I had labeled it that way when I created it to use with the new template. And so I select it and I want to bring in all the content. You've already adjusted events or due dates if you're someone who uses that feature, so don't check that box. And then you're going to click here to import. And so then Canvas will work on this, and once it's finished you'll get a green completed bar. Occasionally you may end up with a yellow or orange bar that says there have been some issues, but most likely a link has been broken, and I'll show you how to fix that later. So if I move back out to the home page here, I will see that the template where I had been working is now here in my course that came in from PowerSchool, and I'm going to make a couple of other adjustments before I finish. So I'm going to come back to the settings menu, and I'm going to give my course a new name because I want to make sure that I know this one is the one that has students in it. And so I'm going to delete this part, and I'm still going to use these same words that I was using for the template that I was editing, but now I'm also here at the end, instead of having it say shell and new, I'm going to put the word students. And that way I know that this is the course that has the students in it that came in from PowerSchool. And so here with the shortened name, go to the end of the row here, and I can again type students so that I know that's going to be working properly. So if I scroll down then, I can put a start and end date on my course. The start date being the first day of school, although if you're going to wait for student devices to be handed out, you may want to start a few days later. And then the end date being the last day of school for this semester, which is Friday, December 18th. And I'm going to select that students can only participate between those dates. We may end up moving this date to later so that we can get our grades done, but for right now, December 18th will work just fine. So once you've made those changes, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and you're going to click to update course details. And now you're ready to continue editing this course to get it ready to use with students this semester. Before you actually use it with students, don't forget that you need to come out here to the home page and you'll need to click publish here at the right. As always, if you have questions or need additional assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.